Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix connection timed out in Minecraft servers. So let's begin. First, you can click on your start menu. We're going to run a prompt real quick. So just make sure it is run as administrator. Then you're going to type in ipconfig slash flush DNS. Click enter and it will flush your DNN system or server. This will help with connection timeout errors. Next, you would like to go to control panel and you would like to go here on network and internet. Click on view network status and task. And over here, change adapter settings. Select your Wi-Fi, right click, properties. Select the fourth option, Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties and over here on the bottom section, we're going to type this number 888888844. Click OK, save, and that's it. Everything should now be fixed. I hope you found this video very helpful.